30 प्लस स्पोकन इंग्लिश फ़िक़रात। आप होश में तो हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे जाने दो। Let me go. Let me go. थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार करो। Wait for a while. Wait for a while. हमारे साथ आओ। Come with us. Come with us. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है। I also think so. I also think so. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है। I don't like it. I don't like it. भूल जाओ। Forget it. Forget it. ये मत करो। Don't do it. Don't do it. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. वो रास्ते में है। He is on the way. He is on the way. सीधा जाओ। Go straight. Go straight. जूतों को पॉलिश कर दो। Polish the shoes. Polish the shoes. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ। Come down quickly. Come down quickly. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. मैं आपको जानता हूँ। I know you. I know you. कोई नहीं आया। Nobody came. Nobody came. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मैं आज कार चलाऊंगा। I will drive the car today. I will drive the car today. इसे गाली मत दो। Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं। See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. ज़रूर कोई बात है। It's definitely something. It's definitely something. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? इसका पीछा करो। Follow him. Follow him. तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? ये बैग बहुत भारी है। This bag is too heavy. This bag is too heavy. मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil.